For this project, I have decided to concentrate on the issue of refugees and asylum seekers. I shall endeavour to improve relations between the British public and those that have been settled here by the British government. In this matter, I shall consider how I can navigate the political rhetoric and social opinions which surround the conversation. I shall consider both sides of the argument and look at how I can utilize these points to find a means of unifying the two arguments. In an effort to acquire the most accurate and most valuable information, I shall be following a strict research strategy. I shall be weighing the current findings and statistics in regards to the numbers of refugees and asylum seekers currently residing in the UK. I shall analyse and reflect on any obstacles that may impede my investigation. I shall also consider the role of the participants, reflecting on how such a programme would impact the opinions of the British public, the refugees, and the asylum seekers. In doing so, I would consider the effects such a strategy would have on the processing of displaced persons. I would proceed cautiously, with a view to find a common area in which to position my solution. In aiming to reconcile these two divides, I would target my research at the political views and factual misconceptions around information pertaining to the subject. I would look to contextualize my findings by illustrating the plight of such displaced persons and staging a presentation primarily aimed at young people and those that wish to pursue the subject in greater detail. I would seek to measure the outcomes by reviewing the data post having launched my strategy. I would measure the success through data which reflects an increase in engagement, a greater understanding of the subject matter by those members of the British public. I would also measure my strategy against a scale with a view to scaling up my model for a much broader distribution in the future.